Once upon a time, in a land not too far from here but too magical to see every day, lay the Enchanted Forest of Lulula. This forest was unlike any other because it was filled with creatures both wondrous and wise. The trees had whispers of ancient secrets, and the air sparkled with tiny specks of glowing dust. In a cozy burrow beneath the grand oak tree lived a curious little rabbit named Thistle. Thistle had soft, velvety fur the color of creamy caramel and large, round eyes that sparkled with curiosity. Every night, just before bedtime, Thistle would sit by the entrance of his burrow, watching the forest come alive with enchantment. One evening, as the moon hung gracefully in the sky like a silver jewel, Thistle noticed a radiant butterfly fluttering near the burrow. This wasn't an ordinary butterfly. Its wings shimmered with colors that changed with each flap: ruby red, emerald green, and sapphire blue. "Hello, little butterfly, who are you?" Thistle asked, his voice tinged with excitement. "I am Laura, the guardian butterfly of Lulula," the butterfly replied, her voice soft and musical. "I watch over this forest and ensure that its magic stays pure and true. Tonight, I have a special adventure for you." Thistle's eyes widened with glee. "An adventure? Oh, I'd love that!" Laura smiled and sprinkled some of her magical dust over Thistle. "Close your eyes and make a wish, little rabbit," she instructed. Thistle shut his eyes tight and whispered, "I wish to explore the wonders of the Enchanted Forest." Suddenly, Thistle felt himself lift off the ground. When he opened his eyes, he found that he could now fly, just like the butterflies. Laura guided him through the forest. They soared past giggling brooks where water nymphs played hide-and-seek, through groves with songbirds whose melodies could put even the most restless minds to sleep, and even floated above a meadow where unicorns grazed under the soft moonlight. In the heart of the forest, they came across an ancient tree with a door made of golden leaves. "This is the Tree of Stories," Laura explained. "Every night, this tree reads a bedtime story from its endless pages of wisdom. Let's listen." Thistle hovered beside Laura, and they heard the gentle rustle of leaves transform into a soothing voice that told of brave knights, magical spells, and wondrous kingdoms. Thistle felt warm and sleepy, the peaceful tales making his eyelids grow heavy. As the story ended, Laura fluttered her wings gracefully, whispering, "It's time to go back now, Thistle." With a blink, Thistle found himself back at his burrow, nestled safely under the grand oak tree. The magic of the evening had left him feeling happy and content. "Thank you, Laura," Thistle murmured sleepily as he curled up in his snug little bed. With the comforting memories of the night's adventure, Thistle drifted off to sleep, dreaming of the endless wonders within the Enchanted Forest of Lulula. And from that night on, Thistle knew that no matter how ordinary his days might seem, there was always a touch of magic waiting for him in his dreams.